No, I gotta get it fixed. The air grounding is shot. What parallel is this? 14? Set of an old model. Still the best parallel transmitter out there.
You okay, Kaza?
Yeah, I'm good. I miss the old models. These are smaller, but the landing hits you much harder.
Yeah. How did we get here so fast?
Parallel 14. We didn't. He was just slow.
Street is empty.
Cover me. Excuse me, miss. Have you seen a guy running around with a vacuum cleaner? Thanks.
Cops saw me about it.
We have a charging station about a 5-minute walk away.
No, we're not going anywhere until we retrieve the old vacuum.
The battery only has a few hours left.
Fucked up. That old model was under my supervision. He worked for me for 5 fucking years.
Don't worry about it, Trist. We'll get it back. I mean, what's the worst that could happen?
He could get out the grid, and then everyone's fired. These old models, you could mess with a signal. Now, forget about it. You even go into the settings menu. You get called back to the office, not to mention automatically transferred to the corporation's parallel.
Straight to the incinerator department.
Yes.
The old charging station's close by. Next is a great Chinese place. They make the best noodles.
Sounds good. Let's go.
Thanks, I'm not interested.
Well, I like what you've done here.
I'd appreciate it if you would leave. Please leave now. I don't want to have to call you-know-who. It really kills the fun.
Excuse me, ma'am. Where can I charge my multi-dimensional vacuum cleaner?
He really is extremely rude. In the studio. You're not going anywhere with this one. Are those bullet holes? You've got a blood stain on your shirt. He really is extremely condescending.
So he's still registered as a charging station in this barrel.
Well, I wish I knew. All you salesmen and your hush-hush.
You turned it off?
Remember that salesman that disappeared a few months ago? Well, like you, he wanted to get off the grid. He kept talking about how he messed up some assignment in the corporation's parallel. He was terrified. And he said he stole an old vacuum so he could get off the grid. He left it here while he went out to run errands, and I switched it off because I went to bed, and since nobody came to pick it up... Ta-da!
What's with the googly eyes, man?
It's my daughter.
That thing costs enough, you know?
Knock it off, Trist.
hunted and killed some guy here a while ago. Guy wouldn't stop screaming about his promotion.
Funny how that works.
Yeah. I think it's upstairs.
So if we crash units both together, we can transport with all the devices undetectable. Or Brill Line. Will you join me?
Wait, you still haven't told me why all of a sudden they're after you. Last year you would spend hours together and they wouldn't care.
I'm not stationed in this parallel anymore.
Wait. If he changed the signal, we'll just follow him.
He's got the old model, Trist. The signal's easy to follow if you can actually get one.
What if he changed the signal you're saying? But when did he have the time?
You know what? Just shoot.
Fuck this!
Gentlemen, a boss.
You know, Hoover, you are not the first guy to date a charging station. But this beats them all.
We want Trist. Who's this guy?
Kaza, regional supervisor. And now you're gonna show us how that works so we can use it in the future.
You know, when I retire, I'm not gonna let the corporation know where I'm going. You can't kill what you lost.
Yeah, I'm warming up to that idea too, but don't push it.
Now again, Hoover, show us everything.
Once again, from the top, you need to crash the frequency of both devices, combined with a powerful charger. The old devices will get scrambled, the signal they send will be ruined. Or
what, salesman?
it fries you alive. So who's first?
I am.
Step right in.
Where are we going?
We're going one parallel over. You can follow the signal on your new device.
And I can come straight back, right?
Of course.
Because if he doesn't, I'm putting you down, Hoover.
Copy that, boss. Go.
Are we really going off the grid?
I think we definitely are.
Undetected.